let's explore some of the key components of the Next Experience Unified Navigation Header. And by the end of this video, you'll have a high-level understanding of the logo as well as the navigation tabs. Hi, I'm Kylie Alexander, Technical Trainer here at GlideFast. Now be sure to follow along in your own personal developer instance so you can get some hands-on experience. Let's head over there right now. So this is my personal developer instance, and I'm operating on the Tokyo version. Your instance may be different, however, the navigation may be quite similar if not the same. Now, the header is divided into 4 distinct zones. At the far left, you have the logo. The second zone, these are the navigation tabs. They're comprised of all, favorites, history, workspaces, and admin. At the very center is the contextual app pill. And to the far left, zone 4 are the utilities. Our video today will focus on the logo and the navigation tabs. Now the logo on the far left navigates you back to the home page. Since we're already on the home page, I'll show you how it works in just a few moments. Now let's take a look at the navigation tab, starting with, as the name suggests, the All menu, which shows you a list of all of the applications and modules that you have access to based on your role. You can select the pen icon to keep the application open on the far left of your window. And for more space, you can remove the pen. And now this pen option is available for all of the navigation tabs, including favorites, history, workspaces, and admins. Speaking of favorites, the favorites menu allows you to quickly navigate back to items that you have favorited. I have a whole video on favorites. I'll be sure to link it below. Next is the history tab. It lists your most recent activity across your instance. By clicking an entry in your history tab, you can quickly return to an item you were previously viewing. And here's the pin. You can also pin it. I'll deselect it now. And next for the navigation tabs are the workspaces and admin. These tabs include workspaces you have access to. Now click the video on the next screen so you can learn more about the next 2 zones of your Next Experience Unified Navigation Header. Let's go.